In this video, we will learn how you can automatically create an order in Shipday from Google Sheets details. Let's say you want every time a row details are added in Google Sheets, an order should automatically be created in Shipday. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically create an order in Shipday from Google Sheets, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect now. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Google Sheets to Shipday. Now it will show you two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a purchase is made, an action can be send a confirmation message to the user. In our case, a trigger can be when a new row is added in Google Sheets, the action can be create an order in Shipday. So let us begin and select Google Sheets as our trigger application. For the trigger event, we will go with new or updated spreadsheet row. Now you will see it has generated a webhook URL like this. A webhook URL is basically a link that connects two applications. So we are going to copy this webhook URL and follow these steps to set up the URL in Google Sheets. So now I will take you to my Google Sheets. So you can see the Google Sheet I've created with the name Shipday. These are the details here, order number, customer name, address, email, customer phone number, then restaurant name, item ordered, and so on. So now on top, I'll go to extensions, then Pabbly Connect Webhooks, initial setup. Okay, so in the webhook URL section, we are going to copy this URL and paste it. In the trigger column, we'll take the last column, that is column I here. So what will happen the moment an information or detail or a piece of detail gets entered in this column, in trigger column, that is column I, Pabbly will pick the response of the entire row, the details of the entire row. Okay. So now let us just send test. And you will see test data sent successfully. So I'll take you to Pabbly and see if it has captured the response. Yes, it has captured the response. We are going to come down to this in detail a bit later. Let me first take you to my Google Sheets again. Now again we will go to extensions, come back to Pabbly Connect Webhooks. But this time instead of initial setup, we'll click on send on event. So what will happen is now the moment a new row gets added here, Pabbly will capture the response. Okay. Coming back to this response, when we did a test submission, Pabbly captured the response like order number, customer name, customer address, email, contact number, and all these details that we had in our Google Sheet. Okay. So this means that we have successfully integrated our Google Sheets with Pabbly. Now on to our action step. So for the action application, I'm going to select Shipday. For the action event, we will select create order, as we want every time a row is added or updated here in Google Sheets, an order should be created in Shipday. Let us connect. We will go with add new connection. Okay. So here it needs the API key. Let us see what the help text reads. Log into Shipday account. We are already logged in, and then go to integrations. Okay, so we'll directly click on integrations. And since I was already logged into my Shipday account, I will not have to give my credentials. Now here you will see, if you will scroll down in the direct integrations, you will see your API key. So now let us just click on show API key. And this is the key. Let us copy this, come back to Pabbly and paste it. And now just save it. So you will see it's connected. And now we are going to map these details here. So order number, we'll take it from Google Sheets. We'll click here and you will see the order number here. But before we map in this number, order number, you must be thinking where exactly are we getting these details from. So for that, I'll take you to step 1. When we integrated Google Sheets with Pabbly, did a test submission, and Pabbly captured the Google Sheet, the response from the Google Sheet. You can see this row was captured in Pabbly. The name, customer name, address, email and other details. So Pabbly had brought exactly same details over here, and that's how we are going to map it. So let us take the order number. Now in a similar way, we will map the customer name. You can see the customer name here. Customer address. This is the customer address. Customer email, let's see. You will find the customer email as well. Now phone number, let's see if we have contact number. Yes, we have customer phone number. Now restaurant name, this is mandatory or required field, so we cannot skip it. So restaurant name is this. Now since these are not required fields, latitude, longitude, restaurant address and restaurant phone number, we are going to skip it. Straight away come to total order cost. So let's see if we have order price here or order cost. Yes, here it is. That is 320 rupees. Okay. Now if you'll scroll down, I'm going to come to required fields. That is order item name. Okay. So let me just scroll down and you will see item that was ordered. That was veg pizza. The price here you can see is 320 is the price. So after mapping the order item price, we will take the order item quantity. So the quantity here would be this quantity 1, like you can see it here. So now before we proceed further, I would like to tell you something about mapping. These mapped in fields like you can see here, order item name, item price, quantity, cost, then the customer details, customer name, address. These mapped in fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is, the next time when a row gets added here in Google Sheets, here in ship day, these mapped in fields like order number, customer name, customer address, customer phone number, these mapped in fields will automatically be updated. It will automatically pick the new data and you will not have to give in manually. Okay. So now let me click on save and send test request. And you will see we have received the response here. The status is success here. It has also generated the order ID. Now let us go to our ship day and see if an order was created there on the name of this customer demo. I'm on my ship day account and you can see order number 21 has been created successfully. This is the order price, that is rupees 320. Then you can see the restaurant name here. The customer name is here, demo. So this means we have successfully integrated our ship day and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.